Hello students, how are you all? I hope you liked my previous videos. So let's start today's topic, that is displacement reaction. So the displacement reaction. So here I have written two reactants. For example, let's understand what is displacement reaction first of all. Suppose we have reactants A and BC, right? So suppose here A is more reactive. It is more reactive and B is less reactive. So what will happen? A will displaces B from here and it will join with C. So the products will form AC and it will remove B from here. So this is the displacement reaction where the most reactive more reactive element will displace or remove another element, right? So this is a displacement reaction. It will displace, ये हटा देगा और खुद वहां पे join करेगा. So first of all, you need to understand this reactivity series for common metals to understand such type of reactions. So you will be able to do the displacement reactions only when you know which element is most reactive, which element is less reactive, right? So here, as you all know, that potassium is most reactive metal, then sodium, calcium, and the least reactive is platinum. So now let's proceed towards our activity 1.9, which is given in your NCERT book class 10th. So let's understand what is happening here. So here, as you can see in this setup, that first of all, we will take two test tubes, test tube A and test tube B. So this is your test tube B and this is test tube A. Now we will put copper sulfate in both. We will put copper sulfate in both the test tubes, in test tube A and in test tube B. But in the test tube B, we put iron nails along with copper sulfate, and in this test tube A, we will not put the iron nails. We will keep it as control for the comparison purpose later on. Also, we will take one iron nail as it is for the comparison purpose. So now let's see what will happen. After 20 minutes, we can see that iron is more reactive and it will displaces copper because copper is less reactive. You can see here in the reactivity series, this copper, it is less reactive, and here you can see iron, it is more reactive. So now the iron will displaces the less reactive copper and it will join with sulfate and it will form copper sulfate and it will remove copper ion, right? So now next, very important, what will happen here? The blue color of copper sulfate will faint and it will change into light green color. Also, the gray color or silver color of iron nails will change, and here you can see reddish brown color. Reddish brown color on the iron nails, right? So here you can see the balanced chemical equation. So you have to write in this way, like you have to write the symbols along with the names. Now other examples are also given in your book. So I have already written two examples. You can see the examples and you can react the reactants, and but before that you have to learn the reactivity series, right? So this is all about today's displacement reaction. So we can say here the iron has displaced or removed another element copper from copper sulfate solution. So this is known as displacement reaction. Here the blue color of copper sulfate changed into light greenish color because ferrous ions are present in the solution. So this is all about this displacement reaction. If you have any doubt, then please comment below and please let me know which topics you want to make me a video. So thank